Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Sometimes people want to mention today's date on their website, especially news and investment related websites. This way, their website looks more professional and attractive and relevant to the present time. So in this video tutorial, you will learn how to display today's date in WordPress. As you can see that this is the footer section of my website, and to enter today's date in this section, all we need to do is in our WordPress dashboard, you need to hover onto Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. Now on the right hand side, you can find Theme Footer. So as we have to enter the date in the footer section, so we need to add a small piece of code in themefooter.php file. So click on the themefooter.php file. Now before entering the code here, make sure that you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later using your backup. Now I'm adding that code to display today's date in WordPress in the description. You can get it from there. Now you have to copy this code. Now paste the code where you want to mention today's date. In my case, I want to display it here, so I'll paste the code here. Now then click on Update File. Now once the file is updated, let's go to our WordPress website to see if it's actually working. So as you can see on our own website that now today's date is being mentioned in the footer section of our website. So that's how easy it is to display today's date in WordPress.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.